What's up, everybody? Welcome to another day, another wrap. Today we have a Lamborghini Urus that's in for a full color change, but a little bit different on what we're going to be doing on this particular vehicle. Yes, it's a color change, but it's with the new product, COLOR PPF. So it's going to be getting a full color PPF to yellow, along with some carbon fiber PPF as well, accents for the roof and the hood. So stick around and stay tuned for it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. A little update on the Urus. We have made some progress on the color PPF. We have a couple of panels down on the driver's side. Most of the passenger side is done, and then we're currently working on the final detail, trims, and all that stuff. We're still letting some of the sections dry, such as the hood, the front bumper. We're gonna come back and do the final detail for those as well. A few things that we're gonna add to this vehicle. One of them is gonna be the windshield protection, as well as the window tint for the front side windows, as well for the windshield. But another thing that I wanted to show you guys, and that we're gonna be doing to this car, is we're gonna be doing a carbon fiber PPF, which is amazing the way that this material looks. By the way, this is from a Stack, and it's also a PPF. But you'd be surprised on the clarity and how real this carbon fiber looks. So what we're gonna be doing with this is kind of recreating the Performante look. So this is gonna go on the roof as well as an inlay on the hood. So if you wanna see how that turns out, make sure to stick around. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So after a long week, a lot of trimming, a lot of detail work, we're finally done with the Lamborghini Urus full color change PPF. It turned out amazing. This yellow actually pops. It's really nice. Few things that we add to this vehicle to make it stand out even more. It's we did as well a carbon fiber PPF on the hood, roof, and the front section of the mirror caps. It's insane how real this carbon fiber PPF looks. Nobody will be able to tell that that's an actual PPF and not a real carbon fiber. Whoever sees it, it's gonna believe 100% that that's a real carbon fiber roof and hood. But in reality, it's a carbon fiber PPF. Some other accents that we did on the vehicle, so we changed the door handles to gloss black, so now those match all the trim around the vehicle. Another cool feature that we did is we removed the gloss black emblem on the back of the vehicle, the Lamborghini badge. We replaced that one with a chrome Lamborghini badge. I think that one stands out a little bit more. It makes it a little bit more noticeable, brings out the name as well. Another thing that we did a full window tint on the entire vehicle. That's almost mandatory if you want to protect yourself from UV rays, heat, all that stuff. And to top it all off, we did a full layer of ceramic coating on the vehicle. So that's gonna make it easier for the customer to keep it clean, wash it, get rid of the dust, all those things. And then it will preserve as well the PPF on the car for a longer period of time. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys liked it. We love this car. It turned out amazing. If you want to see more, make sure to follow us.